Okay, everybody say hi to Greg. Greg, say hi to YouTube. So this is our update. Greg's been out here like tearing some stuff up, and I mean not for bad, for good. So I want to take you on a garden update. We had a torrential downpour, and this is what happened. See the big old gully that went through the garden? Obviously, we need to fix that. So I've had this concrete here forever, and I'm just not strong enough to get it out. Well, guess what Greg did? He got it out. So now we can put an edge, a proper edge in here and fix our water problem because that's not good. So yeah, so we have more pallets. Yay. We are getting ready to, we have another water issue right here too. I don't know if you can see it. See how it kind of flows. We got to figure that out too. But hopefully with the edging that we're getting ready to do, that will assist with the water flow and we can move that around. Our hay bales fell right there. These are going to be our potato beds. So 1, 2, 3 potato beds. That's going to be exciting. Here's where the water's flowing out the back of the garden. We need to fix that. This is where we are going to put a storage shed. Once we get finished planting potatoes today, that hay is going to be gone. And then this is our brand new compost bin. We actually have 4 bays now because we do need that amount of space for compost. So this is the quick update on the garden. So we'll catch you the next time. We've made some major improvements.